Homeowners wonder if they can pick their own vendors when working with a professional property management company. In most cases, our company has all the right vendors that we need for your property. We currently work with about 80 different vendors in the area to serve any need that your property could have. That being said, we know you may have some preferred vendors that you know. You're welcome to provide their information to our maintenance coordinators, and then they can add that information to your property page so that we do use those vendors for your property. We'll just need to make sure we can get your preferred vendors important information such as insurance so that we can work with them for the property. But in most cases, if your property has, for example, a plumbing issue, our team already knows the right plumber to send to your property.